There's my van. I mean, is that not the best parking spot you've ever seen in your entire life? Well, here we are again at that time of the year where everyone is making New Year's resolutions. But let's be real, making big changes on your own can be incredibly difficult. Most of us start strong and fall off because we just don't have anyone in our corner helping us push through the hard parts. I know personally, I wouldn't be where I am today without help. When I finally decided to quit drinking 15 years ago, I couldn't just white knuckle my way through it. Therapy really helped me put my problems in perspective. Having those regular check-ins with a professional kept me accountable and on track when I wanted to give up. Because of that support, I can honestly say I'm living my best life right now. Whether you're going through a really tough time or just trying to hit your life goals this year, you don't have to do it alone. And that's where today's sponsor, BetterHelp, comes in. They connect you with licensed therapists entirely online via video, phone, or even chat. It's convenient, and if you don't click with your therapist immediately, they make it super easy to switch until you find the right fit. So start this year off right, and as a Bike Farmer viewer, you get 10% off your first month by visiting betterhelp.com/bikefarmer or clicking the link in the description below. You'd be joining 4 million other people who have taken charge of their mental health. Now let's get back to that bike swap. I hate it here. And I can't get juice to come out